Hello everyone, we are going to unbox my Lego Classic. Its number is 11013 and let's start. So we are going to rotate the box to open. So can you see these two finger points? Yes, you have to put your thumb inside, or you might even find something like this. It is a bit hard to, so actually I can't open it with the thumb, so I'm going to do it with the scissor. Okay. So we have opened this like this, and we are finding packets, different packets we are finding. There are many packets. And one last packet. And two instruction books. I think this is not an instruction book. Yes, there are two. So first we are going to open. Okay, so let's start. This is packet 1. Let's cut this one first. Be careful, it should not touch the Legos. It should be at such height like that. Okay, right. We open packet 1. Now let's open the next packet. So in packet 1 we have yellow color, then green colors, then orange. Notice this. And this is actually a separator, which is where you can separate things. So this is packet number 2. Let's open packet number 2. So here we get many Legos, for example red, black, white, and even blue, green. So this is packet number 3 here, and we are going to cut this. Okay, need more cutting. Here there is even one more extra packet. Let's open. There we go. And now the packet, there are green blocks, then white, orange, pink, and more. So this is packet number 4. Let's open that. Mostly you need to keep all the Legos down. If they come up, you can keep them down. Okay, let's start cutting. There we go. Here you get even one more tiny packet. There we go. Now here you get yellow crabs, and then a nice purple shiny block, and you get brown blocks, then green again, pink, and more. So now there are some packets which they have no numbers. There is no packet 5. There are only packet. and let's open one of them. This is packet number 5, we can say. Let's name packet number 5. Let's open packet number 5.
Which all colors you have?
Here you get blue and even another small packet. Oh, come on. Yes. Now here, the colors which you get here are green. Why I didn't have some type of block like this. Then blue. Then green. Then blue. I think there is green and transparent of green and blue. Okay. Let's keep this aside. Okay, so now let's name this packet as packet number 6. There we go. Now you get here more colors. And even another small packet are there. I think there are small packets now. Yes, there we go. Now here you get flowers and then yellow and white. Let's keep this aside. This is packet number 7. We will name this as packet number 7, and let's open this. Okay, let's open this. I think this packet doesn't contain any more small packets because it has a very little space. And here we go. Now there are dark colors here. There's some
Transparent are there?
Yes, we have transparent as black and all. But these two are only the transparent ones in the whole packet. Because actually you might see a lot of transparents. I will show you later. So here we have the next packet, which we can call it as packet number 7 or 8. There we go. We have pink blocks here. Now red, pink and all. There's even more flowers. And let's keep this aside. So here I am showing you few Lego transparent blocks. There are many inside actually. And here I like these ones because I have never got these.
Show properly.
One blocks. I like these ones. Then I even like.
Why you like that one?
Because it's something like this shape, and then it's in blue in color, and it's transparent. It's great for water, actually. So I like these ones because I've never got these. They're purple and shiny, and even transparent. And I liked all of these also. This is also nice for water. Then this is something red, but I even like that. I even like these two. And mostly I like these only. So this was the Lego transparent edition, and I like this set. You get instruction books also.
Can you show the books?
Yes. You get 2 books. One is this one. You get these type of look. So you can go. You can make things like this. Goodbye everybody, and see you in the next Lego bricks video. And even in the next video, I'll make something by this book. Goodbye.